How to make a symlinked folder appear as a normal folder. I have two Dart applications I need to Dockerize. These two apps use a shared source directory. Because Docker prevents adding files from folders outside the context directory, project/app1, I can't add files from /shared, nor from shared, the symlink inside project/app1. I'm looking for a way to trick Docker to do it anyway. My simplified project structure. I could move Docker file one level up and run Docker build from there, but then I need two Docker files for app1 and app2 in the same directory. My current idea was, if I could somehow hide the fact that project/app1/shared is a symlink, this problem would be solved. I checked if I can share projects using Samba and remount it somewhere else and configure Samba to treat symlinks like normal folders, but haven't found whether this is supported. I have not much experience with Samba and not tried it yet, just searched a bit. Is there any other tool or trick that would allow that? I would rather not change the directory structure because this would cause other troubles, and also rather not copy files around.
I don't have much experience with Docker, so I can't promise this will work, but one choice would be to mount the directory instead of linking to it. That will attach /shared to /shared and should be completely transparent to the system. As explained in man mount. The bind mounts. Since Linux 2.4.0, it is possible to remount part of the file hierarchy somewhere else. The call is or by using this stab entry. After this call, the same contents are accessible in two places.
This issue has come up repeatedly in the Docker community. It basically violates the requirement that a Docker file be repeatable if you run it or I run it. So I wouldn't expect this ability. As described in this ticket, Docker file add command does not follow symlinks on host number 1676. So you have to conceive of a different approach. If you look at this issue, add to support symlinks in the argument number 6094, a friend of ours from UNAMP, L, at Patrick aka Fema, provides a clever workaround. This tells tar to dereference the symbolic links from the current directory, and then pipe them all to the docker build command. Excerpt from tar-man page.
I got frustrated enough that I made a small Node.js utility to help with this, file syncer. Basic usage. More info on the Stack Overflow answer, and the GitHub repo.
If you want to support the channel, there's a consider subscribing.